Hey guys, welcome to another video of Garden Obsessions. Today we're going to do a mail call. We got this from a subscriber and also an up and coming channel called Glitter in the Garden. They have a couple videos out there, and I know she's getting ready to get into the whole YouTube creator thing, so best wishes to her. I also want to thank her and her husband for sending out these seeds to us. My wife originally met them through Instagram. They're from Texas, not the same area that we're from in Texas, but fellow Texan. You know, we gotta share some love with that. But let me show you a little bit of what they sent to us. They sent us some Bloomdale spinach. We got some red winter kale. We also got some market day lettuce, some apple blossom Swiss chards. They also sent some seed packets to us. It's some black seeded Simpson lettuce, some dwarf blue kale, and some green bowl salad lettuce. I also have some other seeds that I got as well as some salad bowl lettuce as well. The only thing we're going to do here is lettuce today. I wish I could plant everything else. We're just going to try a method here with the lettuce. So I built this nifty little cover here with some plastic to keep the soil nice and warm. The lettuces can germinate in temperatures as low as 40 degrees. We're going to test out that method and hopefully keep it warm with this. It's 62 degrees out here today. It's been a weird winter. It doesn't feel like winter. It's like almost like a mild spring. The temperature is projected to be anywhere from 60 to low 40s in the next week and a half. So we're going to see if we can get by with getting these to germinate within the next 7 to 10 days. And hopefully we'll have some lettuce here pretty soon. All right, so why are we doing this in the dark? We're trying to beat the sun from going down. It's been a long, busy day, and I really wanted to get out here and do this all day today, just to get them going. It's the weekend. During the week, it gets pretty busy with work and stuff like that. So we're trying to get this done before the sun completely goes down. The first thing we're gonna start with is the market day lettuce. I've already got my holes here. I'm only gonna put them in about a 1/4 inch deep and cover them with the soil. Now the soil has been amended with some peat moss and some garden soil, and I also gave it some fertilizer not too long ago with some garden tone. So hopefully once these germinate, they'll get some of that nice fertilizer and sprout up pretty quickly. We're gonna go ahead and start off with the market day lettuce. I'm gonna put 2 seeds per hole. And with that one, I'm doing 9 of those. All right guys, so the next thing we're gonna go with is a black seeded Simpson lettuce. I'm gonna do 6 of those. One of the other reasons we are doing this today was my wife and Ryan from Glitter in the Garden were talking about the Farmer's Almanac, about the moon phases and when is the proper time to go by that calendar and start planting. And today is we're trying to get it in there today because today's one of those days when we're supposed to get them in there. So I don't know much about it. I know my wife does. I'm gonna go ahead and do some more research on that and kind of maybe explain that later on. But that's pretty much why we're trying to get it done today. I can do the research and basically find out everything that entails with that. All right, the last one I'm gonna do here is the salad bowl greens lettuce mix. I'm gonna do 6 of those as well, and hopefully, like I said, I'm doing 2 to 3 seeds per hole. Hopefully we'll get something to germinate and we have some salad going. But again, going back to the Farmer's Almanac with the lunar planting, that's something, like I said, it's something that we talked about. My daughter actually brought it up, so we decided. She was doing the research on it and told us that today was a perfect day. And like I said, my wife and Glitter in the Garden were talking about it as well, as far as how that cycle works and how the calendar works, and today was the day to do it. So that's what we're doing today. We're starting off our New Year's, but what we said we were going to do is trying to get some more edibles in the ground, so that it's actually fitting that we do this today. I also got some carrots, so I'm gonna do some carrots again. The carrots I got are actually good to plant now in January, and they're 70 days to harvest. So hopefully we'll get that going as well. All I'm gonna do is just cover them up here real quick. Nothing too fancy. Like I said, it's already fertilized, and hopefully we get something good going there. What I'll do is later on, I have some straw bundle that we have there that I'll probably break up if it starts to get too cold all of a sudden, and just place some straw over the top of this. But that's pretty much it. Like I said, I got this nifty cover that I built just for this. Hopefully it keeps it nice and warm in there and gets them to germinate. But that's it. Again, we want to thank Ryan and her husband over at Glitter in the Garden for sending us some of these seeds. I know she was excited to see us get these in the ground, so there you have it. Hopefully we get something good out of it. Thanks for joining us. If you haven't liked this video, please give us a like. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.